This should be my last stream. Last stream, if OBS crashes this time, actually I'm using WebP. That can be a issue for that. I'm not sure about too much about that also. It's up to uh, OBS to crash or not. Last time I'm using X264. Uh, that actually takes a little bit more processing power, and right now also it's taking processing power. I'm not sure why it's taking processing power. um Maybe some kind of encoding is still done doing by the processor. Let's hope. Okay, let's came here and check what can we do with right now. Only relationship is kind of remains to complete. Kind of means already everything is mostly completed, so it's like that. Uh, and in the end we are going to create a website backend for another person, so and see how much fasting can be done. Basically, uh, mm, let's do, what can we do here? Okay, auto, there is a model, and there's a relationship also, so photo controller and photos. No, there's a photos, and it should be actually loaded with some relationship. That's the case here. mm. And also I need to set up my status tab here. It's actually everything is true, we will make it everything is false, so it doesn't do anything because everything is now over kind of. Oh no, I make it everything false, so it's not gonna false mean it's not needs to render. It's kind of no. Okay, it, sh- it should true. I think that is the case. I still don't know how it's gonna work this time. Let's change something, anything, doesn't matter. Let's do the role. No. Let's go to services and add something. Doesn't matter. It can be anything. Uh, let's put the session here. Let's see it's gonna work or not. Uh, oh no, it's actually do that. Oh no. Okay, it's actually doing it still now. Uh, let's see our auto setup. What he is doing here. So it's gonna check it's true or this is true. If anything is true, it's gonna run that. What is false? It is a false. Oh. Oh, I think mm, something bad happening here because it's actually not stopping here. Let's see what's. I think everything is over, but something gonna come here and it gonna ruin everything. Let's try to fix it fast as possible. Uh, Let's just echo this and see how it's working that way. Fr- If it's a false, then it's gonna do anything. If not, it's gonna won't do that. And fresh is false. Not session because services and add anything here. Let's try this again and hope it doesn't do anything here. It doesn't do. It doesn't do. Okay, okay, it's working fine. Let's leave this alone. Hmm. First of all, for sake of some, uh, let's put it true here and run this again so we can actually uh, redefine it true. So fresh is gonna be false because mm, probably it's just gonna work. Let's see this. Uh, okay, it's definitely working at least. I think so. Uh, oh no, what's happened here? OMG, this is kind of. Oh, then what happened in the route? What happened in there? So it's not able to read the path. That is the only issue here. So I'm gonna read this path here. Uh, let's put it here and and something like that. And let's see. Okay. Oh no, it still has some issue here, but I can argue this is kind of working, but this should not actually take this PHP here. There's some issue with here, and so there is a nothing in the controller. It should be something in the controller. Oh, it can be rectified if I do that, but then why I'm doing that? Because uh, So I don't think so it's gonna work. uh, this is not a definitely good idea to do anything. I don't have any controller, so it's definitely not gonna again do anything here. So mm, maybe I just use that auto setup model, but it's not. It seems it's not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Mm, it seems I have to do something in the way that actually I can collect everything that we need. So something like that. I should do something in some way. So which way it can be good. So route is actually kind of working fine here, but this has to be in the section of uh in here. So something like that. It should do that. Some kind of something like that, but it's not doing anything here. Let's see how are we gonna fix that. First of all, I has to actually add some kind of variable to model, so it's gonna we gonna actually collect that, because here is nothing that actually saying this is active controller. We don't have any kind of idea. So maybe it doesn't have to be that way, because this is not a okay. So it seems there is no need for do that. uh, if I just let's see that way, because it seems it can work, but I still have my doubt. Still kind of. It should actually work this way also. Let's see, it's gonna work this way. Maybe actually I break many things here and there. I don't even realizing right now. 500, so some kind of internal error. Mm, if I put use Auto controller. Is it gonna work? I'm not sure. So I have to use there. So that's the only reason. Okay, so I have to make a. I have a two choice. Um. Yes, it seems I has a two choice here. First of all, I'm gonna replace this. Let's just and we're gonna reload that and it's. I will see. Definitely, this is it, and that is also there. So definitely we have to make some kind of controller there. So for that, first just collect every controller. That will be best idea, but maybe not. I don't think so. That's a very good idea there. So if you look at our this and this is actually that there. So how we can actually process the data? Mm, maybe just like include everything. No, it's not gonna work that way. This is a router model. This is a CRUD model. So this is about everything about right here. It's about CRUD. Uh, we're actually writing that here also. Should I just copy every controller? Okay, it seems it's a better idea. Just copy every controller. Uh, which we are passing here. That will be do the trick. Let's just create a controller which is a empty array, and this is empty array controller, and we're gonna just do every time. It doesn't has to be doesn't okay if there is a at that. No, it should be unrelated to anything else. So controller gonna make it like that. And UFC name, and that's it. That's it. It has controller now in the array. So we have every kind of controller which I reparsing here. That is the only point of that. Uh, so this is a out CRUD and everything is like that. I can appreciate it, but still. Mm, from string. Prefix. It doesn't seem it's gonna work that way. We have to do some kind of differently. So, um, so we're gonna make it like that. So this is crud. Mm, it doesn't seem this is again. Mm, file get content, but mm, so how to do that? Because somewhere should be class and it should be some kind of uh, I'm stuck here. I'm gonna controller, but controller doesn't actually solve anything. It's good for starter, but as we actually scale, it's gonna ruin everything. And this actually doesn't actually consider the classes. Maybe I can reject something with like that. Prefix prefix start with space. That doesn't. with class name every class PHP. What is hmm, let's see. I'm okay. It's working. That's great. I'm 0% sure about this is gonna work. But anyway, it's 1, 2, 3. Let's see. How it was before. Now check for 7 and uh, whites end of okay, something like okay. So if I put here class is gonna work. Oh no. How I show this on okay, these are the special okay. or something like that. There should be something here that I am sure about. Okay, I can actually use this dot. I forgot about this. Okay, some. uh, okay, there is no space there. It's just gonna only take a one space here, so that's not a problem I need to solve. So something else, whatever. Uh, let's refresh this because it has some kind of already previously some kind of thing here. So it's gonna do everything here. So I am gonna just I'm gonna remove this digit and also 7 also, and here I'm gonna say it's, so if I put class here, no, it doesn't work. Whatever, if I put dot here and if I put dot here, okay, it still doesn't work. This is register is some most hard part that actually I doesn't understand about programming, but I need it this time because I want to actually calculate whatever, however it's go, the name of this from uh the class, so I have to find that. Maybe I just um so uh, something like that, but let's try this. uh what is that? Oh no, I think I have to watch the whole video again. Mm. Oh, PHP. With, okay, this is it. So it's gonna check for web. What is it gonna checking? Partial, not partial. Okay, so I need a some kind of for partial. Hmm. Okay, it doesn't seem it's gonna. Uh, let's do the end with string thing, and maybe we're gonna. It's work, but uh, uh, it's actually finding the stack overflow. That's it. Let's see. Let's put s there. Let's not do anything here. Okay, it's actually. But how it's actually do?